Here we have our bead roller. This is a Mittler Brothers Jamie Jordan edition, 36-inch variable speed motor with a table. Borrowed from a good friend of ours, Saul from Ford Era. So shout out to Saul. Appreciate you letting me borrow this unit, you know, so I can fab up some parts. I highly recommend just spending the money and buying this unit. Buying the 36-inch and buying the variable speed motor. The motor is what's gonna save your life. You can slow this thing down super slow. The foot pedal allows you to control it. Basically bought the cheap model originally, and it works for small projects, but if you're gonna be doing this stuff repetitively, and if you're gonna be wanting to really fine tune and dial in your bead rolling and fabrication skills, sheet metal work, I highly recommend just spending the money and going with this unit. Little added on light, that's another thing. Highly recommend, just, you know, good lighting obviously, and then being able to see the piece. These are awesome. I might even get a couple more of these. Stole that from Jonah.